Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of small wood decor pieces ideas you can add to your living spaces. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Have you ever walked into a room and felt an instant sense of warmth and comfort, as if the space had a personality of its own? The secret to this inviting atmosphere may lie in the often overlooked charm of small wood decor pieces. These unassuming elements have the power to transform your living spaces, creating a cozy and welcoming environment that speaks to your personal style. By incorporating wood accents, you can enhance your home's aesthetic while also reaping numerous benefits that go beyond mere appearance. The appeal of wood is deep-rooted in human culture. For centuries, it has served both functional and decorative purposes, a testament to its versatility and timelessness. Adding small wood decor pieces is a simple yet effective way to enrich your environment, making it feel more alive and engaging. One of the primary benefits is that such decor lends a sense of natural beauty to your space. Wood, with its unique grains and textures, brings character and a touch of the outdoors inside. It serves as a reminder of nature's wonders, creating a balance between the organic and the man-made. This connection can evoke feelings of tranquility, which is essential for creating restful spaces. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Additionally, small wood decor pieces are perfect for adding warmth to a room. Unlike cold, hard materials such as metal or glass, wood possesses an inherent warmth that makes it more inviting. Its tactile quality encourages touch and interaction, and when combined with proper lighting, can enhance the atmosphere in a living room or bedroom. Consider how different types of wood can contribute differently to the environment. Lighter woods can evoke a fresh, airy feel, while darker woods bring an air of sophistication and intimacy. Each piece you choose can contribute to creating the desired mood in your space. Practicality also plays a significant role in the appeal of small wood decor items. They can serve dual purposes, functionality blended with aesthetics. For instance, a wooden bowl can hold keys or mail, while simultaneously serving as a stylish centerpiece on a coffee table. Small shelves made of wood not only display your favorite books and plants, but also organize your space without creating visual chaos. This practicality is especially important in smaller living areas, where every inch counts. Utilizing wood pieces can help maximize the potential of your space while maintaining a cohesive look. Another compelling reason to incorporate small wood decor into your home is the ease of customization. Wood can be easily painted, stained, or left in its natural state, allowing it to fit seamlessly into any design scheme, from bohemian to minimalist. This adaptability means you can have fun mixing and matching various wood finishes or styles to create a curated, layered effect in your decor. For example, combining a rustic wooden frame with a sleek wood lamp can create an interesting juxtaposition, adding depth and personality to your space. Moreover, small wood decor pieces can act as conversation starters. They often carry stories, whether they are handmade artisanal items, inherited treasures, or travel souvenirs. Each piece can spark discussions about its origin or the memories associated with it. This storytelling aspect can add a personal touch to your home, making visitors feel connected to you and your experiences.
In a time when many people pursue authentic connections, sharing the tales behind your decor can lead to memorable interactions and strengthen relationships. The environmental benefits of choosing wood decor cannot be overlooked either. When sourced sustainably, wood is a renewable resource that can contribute to environmental preservation. By opting for pieces made from reclaimed wood or from sustainable forests, you're supporting eco-friendly practices while still enjoying the beauty of natural materials in your home. Incorporating wood decor pieces not only enhances your living spaces, but also aligns your choices with better environmental stewardship, which is increasingly important in today's world. Furthermore, the psychological impact of incorporating natural materials into our environments is supported by various studies. Research indicates that exposure to natural elements, such as wood, can reduce stress and increase feelings of well-being. The presence of organic materials in interior design encourages a sense of calm, grounding individuals in their spaces. This principle can be particularly beneficial in busy urban environments where individuals may feel disconnected from nature. Thus, decorating with wood decor pieces can not only improve the aesthetic of your living space, but also positively influence your mental health. Small wood decor pieces also enhance versatility in your design approach. They blend seamlessly with various styles and color palettes, allowing for easy updates as trends shift or personal tastes evolve. Seasonal changes can also be celebrated by swapping out decor. A wooden tray or vase can effortlessly transition from displaying autumn leaves to holding spring flowers. This flexibility enables you to maintain a fresh vibe in your home, keeping it exciting and reflecting your current mood or the season without the need for major overhauls. The craftsmanship behind wood decor can also speak volumes about quality and care. Unlike mass-produced items often found in big-box stores, many wood decor pieces are crafted with attention to detail and passion. Supporting local artisans or furniture makers can give your home a unique flair while backing small businesses. Purchasing high-quality wooden items can ensure longevity, as wood is durable and ages beautifully, often becoming more characterful with time. When considering the addition of small wood decor, it is essential to evaluate the balance and symmetry within your space. Introducing wooden pieces strategically can create focal points while distributing visual weight throughout the room. For instance, placing a wooden sculpture on a bookshelf or a wooden bowl on a coffee table draws the eye and can enhance the overall composition of your space. Cohesion in design is crucial for creating an appealing environment, and wood decor can easily tie various elements together. One of the more enjoyable aspects of incorporating small wood decor is the opportunity to embrace creativity. The process of selecting, arranging, and even DIYing wooden pieces can be fulfilling, allowing for personal expression and artistry. Whether you choose to paint a wooden item or leave it raw, these creations can become reflections of your tastes and preferences, making your living space feel uniquely yours. Engaging in such creative pursuits can not only beautify your surroundings, but can also serve as a therapeutic outlet. As you weave small wood decor pieces into your living spaces, you might find it helps reinforce your sense of identity. Your home is an extension of yourself, a canvas that tells your story. With each carefully chosen wooden accent, you're crafting a narrative that reflects who you are and what you value. Each detail, from the handcrafted wooden clock to the small figurine on the shelf, adds meaning, turning your house into a home filled with love and authenticity. Well, dear viewers, there you have them, our hand-picked small wood decor ideas you can add to your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.